In the first part of the 20th century, industrial wastewater was discharged into the environment. Since then, increased awareness of the consequences of these discharges has led to the implementation of increasingly effective technologies for treating all forms of pollution, while preserving resources, and in particular, energy and water.
I don't really know what industrial wastewater is, or what exactly this expression refers to. I would like to know if it has an impact on the environment and on health.
Industrial wastewater consists of liquid discharge from the transformation of raw materials for the manufacture of consumer goods. The following expressions can also be used: industrial wastewater, blow-down systems, wash water, wastewater from runoff. Huge progress has been made in recent years regarding the treatment of this industrial discharge. A recent study by a public body showed that organic discharge has been reduced by around 50% and toxic discharge by 70%, which is really a significant decrease. The main reasons for the improvement of these technologies are increased legislative pressure, increased awareness by industries of the environmental impacts of their activities, as well as improved treatment methods, of course. Here we are at a research center created by Veolia Environment in order to test new technologies to treat industrial wastewater. Faiza, why don't you come and join us at this research center?
Here we are at the Veolia Environment Research Center, dedicated to industrial wastewater situated near Charles de Gaulle Airport.
Hello, Faiza. Welcome to our research center.
Hello, Jean.
Let's go inside.
Okay.
Research in this test center is driven by 4 key ideas: the characterization of different types of wastewater, the definition of treatment processes, water reuse, and the use of byproducts. We have implemented 4 different technologies as regards the definition of treatment processes: membrane technologies, physical-chemical technologies, biological technologies, and thermal treatment processes. I suggest we take a closer look at one of the thermal technologies located in this part of the center. What does evapoconcentration involve? It involves separating pollutants from water using a heating system.
I see. And what is this black liquid?
This dark liquid is in fact concentrated residue from the industrial wastewater found here. This wastewater has been heated in the evapoconcentrator. The water has evaporated and recondensed as purified water, or the pollution is therefore concentrated into a minimum volume.
Apart from the effectiveness of our technologies, our researchers also work on ensuring their security and reliability, which are essential criteria for our industrial clients, as well as reducing costs, of course.
And what about the future? What are the goals of Veolia's researchers?
One of our objectives is to try to close the loop in the water cycle in industry.
What does it mean to close the loop in the cycle?
Closing the loop in the water cycle involves reusing treated industrial wastewater as much as possible and re-injecting it into the process. This means that we must identify the precise needs of the industrial client. This is not easy and poses a real challenge for researchers, but this is the direction in which research is moving. Another example, unrelated to water this time, consists in exploring the use of byproducts of purification treatments. One example already being industrially implemented is the use of sulfates contained in sulfuric acid to make gypsum, which is used to make plasterboard.
To support industrial clients in reducing their environmental impact, the task of researchers at Veolia Environment is to perfect technologies that will enable them to limit their pollution emissions. The ultimate objective is zero discharge.